I really like easy, simple things that we can just add into our daily life that can benefit our health. And something that was reading about the other day, which research is showing, is beetroot juice. Now, beetroot juice contains nitrates. It's a very good source of nitrates, and nitrates can help with the integrity of our blood vessels. Because what nitrates do is they enhance the availability of nitric oxide, which plays an important role in the regulation of blood pressure, blood flow, and muscle contractions. So in postmenopausal women, it was very beneficial for them to drink beetroot juice daily to really help with the integrity of our blood vessels and blood pressure. So a glass of beetroot juice daily can be beneficial for postmenopausal women.